Okay, check it out. We got the 6-pack balancer all restored. Fresh Heli-Coils in 3 of the holes. You can see them right there. And I already tested them with the new bolts. The Loctite didn't interfere or anything like that. But you can see the difference between an externally balanced 6-pack balancer right here with that counterweight. And then here's a internally balanced 440 balancer right there. That came off of that 68 440 engine. But what I found out was this. Something happened in the past that this seal was loose, you saw previously. Once I took the balancer off, the cover looked like this. See, it's all hammered in. And that's a good cover right there. That one's also good. But this is off the 68. And you see the timing mark looks different than this, which is off a 75 motorhome engine, which is the same as the one off of the Super Bee. So I'm going to end up pulling this seal out of that and replacing it and put that cover back on. But I've found too many problems with this engine at this point that the whole engine's going to have to come out. You can see how worn out the chain is. But check this out. Looking at the heads, this has your regular steel shim head gasket that's 20 thousandths thick. And this side, somebody had the head off at some point, put on a composite gasket like a Felpro or something that's probably 40 thousandths thick. So this head has been off. I see some water down in the valley right there. This exhaust port, the third one back, looks like it's been a little wet at some point. These two rockers are mismatched. But what I wanted to do before I take the engine out is figure out what kind of cam is in it. So that if it's a good cam, I'll just reuse it. So I'm going to test for the lift right now. Basically what I'm going to do, I have that dial indicator hooked up. It's directly on the cam lobe. So the rocker ratio is 1.5. So we're going to figure out how much cam lift it has, and then we'll know how much gross lift at the valves. So let's turn the engine over here. Try to do this one-handed. Okay. Can hear a little blow by. Okay, it's starting to move. See, the dial indicator was at 0. Okay, 100 thousandths. 200. Coming up on max lobe lift. Okay, so we maxed out right there at about 282. Back down to nothing. Okay, so I already did the math on that before. And 282 times 1.5 ended up being 423 thousandths lift. So probably like an RV cam or something. So I know I'm going to need to get a new cam. The crank is all marred up right here too. Anyway, next step, engine and transmission are coming out of the 70 Super Bee.